I am Prachitam from CSEB. My WAD talk topic is about object-oriented web application development. Introduction to object-oriented web application development. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects. Objects are instances of classes that encapsulate both data and behavior. OOP promotes code reusability, modularity, and maintainability in web applications. Key concepts of OOPs. The four main principles of OOPs are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Encapsulation restricts access to certain components, enhancing security and integrity. Inheritance allows for the creation of new classes based on existing ones, promoting reusability. Benefits of OOP in web development. OOP facilitates code organizations through the use of classes and objects. It enhances collaboration among developers by providing a clear structure for code. OOP reduces redundancy, making it easier to update and maintain web applications. Classes and object definitions. A class serves as a blueprint for creating objects. An object is an instance of a class that contains both data and methods. Understanding the relation between classes and objects is fundamental in OOP. Encapsulation in web applications. Encapsulation helps in bundling data with methods that operate on that data. It restricts direct access to some of an object's components, promoting data hiding. This principle enhances the maintainability of web applications by limiting interactions. Inheritance in OOPS. Inheritance allows classes to inherit properties and methods from other classes. This leads to a hierarchical structure, making it easier to manage and extend code. By using inheritance, developers can create specialized classes with minimal code duplication. Polymorphism. Polymorphism enables objects to be treated as instances of their parent class. It allows for method overriding and overloading, providing flexibility in code execution. This principle enhances code readability and allows for dynamic method resolution. Generally, polymorphism refers to the ability to appear in many forms. Polymorphism in Java program, the ability of reference variable to change behavior according to what object instance it is holding. Abstraction in OOPS. Abstraction simplifies complex systems by hiding unnecessary details. It allows developers to focus on high-level interactions rather than implementation specifics. By using abstract classes and interfaces, developers can define contracts for subclasses. There is an example given for data abstraction. Designing class structures. A well-designed class structure is critical for the success of an OOP-based application. Classes should be cohesive, focusing on a single responsibility or functionality. Properly defining relationships among classes enhances code clarity and maintainability. Object lifecycle in web applications. Objects undergo various states from creation to destruction during their lifecycle. Understanding the lifecycle helps in managing resources effectively in web applications. Developers should implement proper object management techniques to optimize performance. Frameworks supporting OOPs. There are several popular frameworks that facilitate OOP in web development. Examples include Django for Python, Ruby on Rails for Ruby, and Laravel for PHP. These frameworks provide built-in OOP features, enhancing developer productivity. OOP and MVC architecture. The Model View Controller MVC architecture is a common design pattern in web applications. It separates application logic into three interconnected components: models, views, and controllers. OOP principles fit well within MVC, promoting structured and maintainable code. Unit testing in OOP. OOP encourages the use of unit testing to validate individual components of an application. Tests can be written for classes and methods, ensuring they behave as expected. This practice enhances code quality and helps catch bugs early in the development process. Security considerations. OOP can enhance security through encapsulation and controlled access to data. Developers should implement secure coding practices to protect against vulnerabilities. Regular security audits and code reviews are essential in maintaining a secure application. Performance optimization techniques. OOP can introduce overhead due to abstraction, so performance optimization is vital. Developers should profile applications to identify bottlenecks related to object creation. Catching and efficient resource management can help improve performance in OOP applications. Best practices in OOP development. Following established coding standards ensures consistency across the code base. Code reviews and pair programming can enhance code quality and knowledge sharing. Documentation is crucial for maintaining and understanding the purpose of classes and methods. Future trends in web development. The adoption of microservices architecture is influencing OOP principles in web applications. Integration of AI and machine learning is becoming more common in OOP frameworks. Continuous integration and delivery practices are evolving to support OOP methodologies. Case studies of OOP applications. Many successful web applications leverage OOP principles for scalability and maintainability. Examples include e-commerce platform, social networking sites, and content management systems. These case studies demonstrate the effectiveness of OOP in solving complex web development challenges. Learning resources for OOP. Numerous online courses and tutorials are available for learning OOP in web development. Documentation for popular frameworks often includes OOP best practices and examples. Community forums and coding bootcamps provide valuable support and networking opportunities. Conclusion: Object oriented programming significantly enhances web application development through its principles. The use of OOP leads to structured, maintainable, and scalable applications. Questions and discussions are encouraged to deepen understanding of OOP in web development. This presentation can be used to introduce the concepts of object-oriented web development and its various aspects. Thank you.